What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Maha, and this channel is getting a lot towards this Infinity 3.7 Q50 build I currently got going on right now, as well as a 1966 Mustang Coupe 289s are over there, back there covered with 3-speed manual. So if you guys are into any of those two type of cars or cars in general, please do your boy a favor, hit that subscription button, drop a comment down below, any comments, questions, and concerns, and consider subscribing to the channel. What? Today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna do a quick, little simple install of the mirror caps. So this is the one I have on there right now, but I don't know if you can tell. But it's starting to fade. It is a carbon fiber honeycomb mirror caps. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can tell, but the finish isn't that great on it. You can see the white spots on it. Sun kind of ate these up pretty bad, so I'm debating if I want to keep it. You know, I replaced them. I did one side already with the gloss black M-style mirror cap as well. It looks pretty decent too, you know. I might rock this for a little bit, get these refinished, and then debate if I either want to give these away or I might keep them and put them back on for another set. But yeah, man, so that's how the right sides look right now, and this is how, you know, it's getting pretty bad. You know, the white spots are starting to irritate me, so I want to get at least, you know, some type of clean, you know, mirror caps on there. The rest of the car is looking clean, so the mirror caps are kind of killing the vibe for me. But yeah, man, we're gonna get these installed. Well, get these removed and installed. So again, y'all gonna do get a nice 2-in-1 of how to safely remove this. I already removed this one. I already put the gloss black one on it, did not break any clips. So goal is do not break any clips on the next one as well. But these are actually pretty, you know, a lot more sturdier than the OEM ones. Or a lot more sturdy actually, because it's pretty easy to break the clips on the OEM ones rather than these, you know, these aftermarket ones. I think they reinforced these a little bit better, but yeah, man. So let's get the install going. I'm gonna strap the GoPro to my chest so y'all can see and hear what I'm actually doing when I'm installing it and uninstalling it. So let's get to it. So really quick, tools you're gonna need for these, obviously the mirror caps. When you do buy these mirror caps, the one I'm gonna put a link down in the description, they do supply this orange pry tool, which is very nice. But if you don't have one, you could use plastic knife or any kind of other plastic pry tool. I wouldn't suggest using a screwdriver, because then that's going to tear up the plastic. Could possibly break the clip, because the screwdriver is a lot more, you know, a lot more tougher versus these. I mean, these, you know, this when the first install I already tore it up, but you know, it's gonna save your plastic, it's gonna save your, you know, money later on. But yeah, man, so just, you know, take your time with this, and I'm gonna show you how I actually did it. Take the plastic knife or pry tool, try to get the corner edge here. All right, just got that edge coming up. Stick this one in there. Alright, so that clip is ready up. Slide this part. Again, you still want to be gentle with it, but don't be too gentle. There we go. There's another one. Again, now make sure y'all taking y'all time, man. You want it off, but Last thing you want to do is break a clip. I mean, if it is your OEM ones, then I don't give a shit. But these are my carbon ones, so I'm trying to keep them in good condition. Just in case I want to put it back on. There we go. There you go. No broken clips. Good day. Good day. Alright. Got the new ones. You see how it lines up on the clips on each side here. So here, here, here. Here. The best way I found first was to line up this part here and then clip in the top after. So it'd be best to line up the bottom first, then the rest is easy. Boom. So like I was struggling to put it on. I think the hardest part is to take it off. So to put it on, it's the easiest part. Just make sure you line up the bottom. Line up the bottom first. This corner right here. Get that part situated first. Then the rest is cake. But yeah, man. So that's how it looks right now. Carburetors are cool, but like look at this. It's literally like turning yellow. Got white spots on it. You know, it's cool, whatever, but I might have to go get a refinish. I might drop it off by a shop and see if they could re-click coat it. I might even try it myself. And like I said, depending on when I finish it off, I might give it away to one of you guys. I might do that, you know. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give these away. It's gonna be the first giveaway. So if y'all want these, y'all already know what to do. Hit that subscription button, drop a comment, hit a like, and tell me if you want them. We're about 600 subscribers right now, so once we hit that 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna mention this in each video. But yeah, man. Yeah, man. So there we go. The black M-style Merc caps are on. Like I said, I like the carbon one too, but again, the carbon was given out, so I had to do a simple little, you know, gloss black. Plus, I think I like how I was rocking with the tint, and then small hints of carbon on the side here. So I don't want to do too much carbon anyway. So I might keep it like this. Keep it like this for a little bit and see how I like it. But yeah, man. So when y'all doing this, as you can tell, and I said a couple times already in the video, make sure y'all taking y'all time. Start here in the corner and slowly peel back like this. Run it across. If you run it across fast enough, you might get lucky, you know, just pop off here and here and here. Same thing on the top here. Got it in nice. And then, you know, the fitment is actually pretty good on this here too. So if y'all wanna feel like you're liking this, I'll make it the fitment on that. Pretty OEM. Not even gonna lie, there's no gaps, nothing. The carbon one actually had a little bit more of a gap in the corner here, but this fits a little bit more flush. So I'm actually liking the fitment on this better. Drop the link in the description below if y'all interested in getting these. But yeah, man, that's a nice little quick little video. Take y'all time. You gotta take an hour, man. Don't, you know, this ain't no rush. Don't rush it. If you gotta rush it, probably gonna break something, run the risk of breaking something. So there's no rush. Just take your time, get it done. Changes the whole front end of the car. Yep. That's how she look right now. Drop a comment down below if y'all think I should put back the carbon honeycomb mercaps. Also another thing too, because it was honeycomb, I have regular carbon here and then honeycomb here, and then I still do have the honeycomb wing, but this is actually holding up a lot better than that than the mercap. So I'm just gonna leave this on. Got this gloss blocked out, but I think I'm gonna do carbon overlays for this too as well. And everything else is looking pretty much on point. Definitely gotta do the side skirt soon. It's probably gonna be the next big mod I'm gonna do on this car, is the side skirts. But yeah, man, so drop a comment down below if y'all think I should keep this, if y'all rocking with the gloss black. You know, a nice subtle gloss black. If you try to go back and put back the carbon ones on there, get it refinished and re-clear coat it and put it back on there. Or if y'all want to do the or if y'all want to do a little giveaway, and my first giveaway for that when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I might use that as the giveaway. So if y'all interested in those, drop a comment. But other than that, man, if y'all rocking with the video, if y'all rocking with how the Q's looking so far, if y'all rocking with the mods, if y'all rocking with 3.7, VR30, anybody, any car crew, any car people out here, man, drop a comment down below. Everyone is welcome, except for those people that be sliding. All right, I'm saying this right now, I don't condone those sliders that, you know, shut down those takeover intersections where they shut down and they do freaking burnouts, and then, you know, disrupting traffic and disrupting emergency personnel are trying to get through to save people's lives. How is that cool, bro? You're disrupting fire trucks and ambulances and police from getting to actual emergencies, but you know, you want to be cool for a freaking Instagram video, trying to do shit for clout, and then, you know, getting people killed and stuff. That to me is not cool. Plus, you're throwing a bad name of people who actually like cars like this, you know, actually like modifying their cars, because then it throws that stigma on. So, oh well, if those people are like that, then all car people are like that. So then we start getting, you know, crap for it when we try to have a nice, you know, simple car meet. But that was my little rant on that, you know. But again, man, everyone else is welcome. Join the family, join the car. Drop a comment down below. Consider subscribing if you're rocking with the content. If you like how the mercap's looking, go ahead, hit that like button. Just hit over 600 subscribers, so I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. With that being said, my name is Maha, and I'm out. Peace.